I can't get up. Okay. Clear. My hair is really thin. I'm coming back. I should like run and dive.
You should try it.
I got up here one time.
How did you do that? I'm stuck. Okay. I know. Push with your feet.
You know, it is not that easy.
Oh man.
I'm coming back.
Alright.
I really want to make it up here.
Are you coming?
I'm coming.
Alright.
Ow!
From this point of view, it look like Samara in the ring climbing up the well.
I'm not. Clear.
You sound like an animal dying.
It's getting really hot.
Animal having sex. Use those muscles.
Okay, I'm trying from here. I quit. Hold on. I'm coming back.